Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel, and we're gonna go over the fifth amendment as it applies to Mar-a-Lago seizure of documents and famous events that relates to President Trump. And so actually what happened recently, a few weeks ago, on January 6th, or actually on August 10, on Wednesday, FBI had an inside informant at Mar-a-Lago, and who reportedly told them that Donald Trump was hiding classified information, classified documents in Mar-a-Lago. On the same day, in New York, Trump invoked his Fifth Amendment rights, and State Attorney General Letitia James, civil investigation of the Trump Organization. These are only two of the multiple investigations that have Trump of his family business in their crosshairs. And we're gonna explain how does it relates to Fifth Amendment. First of all, we're gonna go over the text of the Fifth Amendment, which states that no person shall be held to answer for a capital or otherwise infamous crime unless on presentment or indictment of the jury. And it's as it relates to the clauses which incorporated within the Fifth Amendment outline basic constitutional rights of the citizens to establish their rights and liberties and to against self-incrimination. And due process is a guarantee for all persons, requires the government to respect all rights, guarantees, and protection afforded this due process requirement to the state. It applies to the states as well. So it's a due process clause of Fifth Amendment guarantees that you will have that party will receive fundamentally fair, orderly, and just judicial proceedings. Even so, it's only applying for federal courts. Court's amendment explicitly applies this due process requirements to the states as well. And substantial due process clause aims to ensure fundamental fairness by guaranteeing parties the right to be heard and ensuring that the parties receive proper notification throughout the litigation, and ensures that the adjudicating court has the appropriate jurisdiction to render a judgment. So in the case of Trump, that innocent people had to assert their right against self-incrimination for fear of their testimony being used against them and in the days of rate-baiting paranoia. So as it is and was and will be well known, we should protect rights against self-incrimination. So history established that even in 16th century Spanish Inquisition court was deprived of that liberty, but in centuries before, in 1215, Magna Carta in England protected English citizens from harm at the hands of monarchs by establishing due process of law, of which the right against self-incrimination is a part. So, my friend, President Trump invoked his Fifth Amendment rights to protect his property and move forward with his activities. So my friends, don't forget to follow me on my channel, subscribe, and we will go over the Fifth Amendment and Fourth Amendment in my next lecture. So I see you for my next lectures, and have a good night. Don't forget to exercise daily, eat healthy, and pray for peace in Ukraine. And God bless America.